This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable Do Not Track on the Opera web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera web browser opened up now. To enable Do Not Track, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left hand corner, up to the little red O logo. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings. And I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the left side pane here, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, right in here, third-party cookies, you want to click on third-party cookies. And then right down here, send a do not track request with your browsing traffic. Sites use their discretion when responding to this request. You want to toggle this on. A little dialog box opens up saying, enabling do not track means that the request will be included with your browsing traffic. Any effect depends on whether a website responds to the request and how the request is interpreted. You would click on Confirm. That is how to enable Do Not Track on the Opera web browser. Thanks for watching.